Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. For this DIY, I would like to share with you how I created 3 matching 3D wall sconces with LED lighting. If you would like to find out what I created, just continue watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with poster board and I'll be cutting a 8x11 sheet. Once I had it cut, I put it aside. Next, I'll be using foam board and I'll be cutting it 6.5 by 15 inches. Next, I'll be using mirror reflection paper and I'll be covering my foam board. Next, I use my poster board and foam board, and I'll take my foam board to bend the corners of the poster board in an angle. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Next, I'll apply hot glue on both ends of the poster board that I bended, and then I'll glue them onto the poster board in an angle. Next, I took a piece of mirror reflection paper and I'll be cutting a strip 2 inches wide. Next, I applied it in the center of the poster board. Next, I'll be using metallic silver beads and I'll be gluing them on the edges of the poster board. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, link below. Next, I'll be using 3 strips of mirror mosaic tiles and I'll be applying them on both corners. Next, I'll take a single strip of mirror mosaic tiles and I'll apply it in the center. I also apply some here and here. I also used 3 large teardrop gems and I glued 3 in each corner. For my second DIY, I'll be starting off with a butterfly staple. I'll be cutting out butterflies close to the edge around my pre-cut poster board sheet. I'll be using these butterflies as well. I had these metallic stars on hand, so I'll be cutting out butterflies from here as well. I took a foam board sheet and covered it with mirror reflection paper, and then I'll glue on my poster board. I glued on this poster board on the top edge. Next, I took the butterflies and glued them around the center. I glued metallic beads around the edges. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. It really helps me out a lot and it lets me know that you enjoy videos like this. Next, I'll be using 3 strips of mirror mosaic tiles and I'll be repeating the same steps as I did on the first wall sconce. I also repeated the same steps with the teardrop gems. Next, I'll be using 1/2 inch mirror squares and I'll start gluing them around in no particular order. I brought back my butterflies and glued them on. For my third DIY, I'll be starting off with 2 staple cutouts. One is 1.5 inch and the other is 1 inch. And I'll be repeating the same steps as I did on the second wall sconce with the poster board sheet. And as you can see, I keep changing the size as I'm punching out the circles, and I'll be using these circles as well. I already glued on my poster board around the center of my pre-cut foam board, cover it with mirror paper. I also punch out circles on a metallic star. After, I glue them around the center. On each wall sconce, I use 1 remote LED touch light. And to hang all three on the wall, I use command strips. I really do love the way these wall sconces turned out, and what I love the most is that they're 3D and they are a 3 matching set but different in their own ways. And let's not forget all the lighting and shimmering when the lights are off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy all 3 DIYs as much as I enjoyed creating them. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.